And then the rabbit says, how about that schnitzel? Well,
Well, what? There's no punchline.
that is the punchline.
How about that schnitzel? That's the punchline?
Well, no, not when you say it like that.
How am I supposed to say it?
Like a punchline.
How about that schnitzel?
Oh, forget it.
What?
You ruined my joke.
No, the punchline ruined your joke.
Ha!
What?
You admit it's a punchline.
Oh my god.
Ah, I am vindicated. How about that schnitzel has officially been declared a punchline.
A really bad punchline.
No one asked for the Norton Critical Edition. All the schnitzel and I wanted was some recognition, and now we have it. Oh, man, it's packed in here.
I guess we counter it.
Well, I guess we do.
What?
What do you know? Your face really can freeze that way.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm great. It's big, fat, happy sunshine day for me.
Business looks good.
Yeah, the place is packed.
Sure, it's been taken over by the J. Crew catalog.
Oh, look, babies.
I never want to hear that come out of your mouth again.
Bob the Yellow Ball.
Yellow ball, yellow ball, yellow ball. Ah, yellow duck.
Ball.
Yellow ball, yellow ball, yellow ball. Every weekend, the same stupid group comes in here and take up all my tables and every chair they can get their sticky hands on, and they do that. They sit, they stand. One person holds a kid, another person holds a kid.
I've got Choo Choo Joe.
This guy runs in and out and back and forth. The other guy never takes his head out of that stupid bag. The women can't figure out which kid is which, and they do it all morning long, and then order 2 iced teas to go. And that is it.
I'm sure you're exaggerating.
I am not exaggerating.
Oh, God.
Oh, now, this is good. You see, Choo Choo Joe will not be working.
Get the bongo bear. Get the bongo bear.
How'd you know that?
Because Joe has not been working for the last 6 months. Personally, I don't think he's broken. I think he killed himself to get away from that family.
No, now that kid's a major drooler.
Yeah, it's like a fountain.
Okay, that's it. They have to go.
Oof, come on, it's just spit. Pretend you're at a baseball game.
No. I've had enough. Let them go not spend money at Al's. I'm through. Is that woman doing what I think she's doing?
Well, I can't be 100% sure, but... Oh, yeah, that's lunch.
Why? Why do they do this? This is a public place. People are eating here.
They sure are.
This cannot be sanitary.
I agree. You don't know where that thing's been?
When did that become acceptable? In the old days, a woman would never consider doing that in public. They'd go find a barn or a cave or something. I mean, it's indecent. This is a diner, not a peep show.
Hey, consider making it a combo. You could charge more for your cheeseburgers. Of course, no one would ever feel the same ordering a glass of milk again,
I
but...
have to do something. I just can't stand here and let the lactating continue.
Luke?
Gross.
I'm gross. I'm not the one exposing myself for the entire world to say. That's it. You go make her stop.
I'm not going over there.
Why not? You're a woman.
So what?
So you have the same parts.
What?
You shouldn't be scared of it.
Scared of it? You know, you're gonna be a bachelor for a really long time.
I am being taken advantage of here, and I do not like being taken advantage of. I hate this.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, well, that was kind of fun.